Hi guys, this is Naaz Arora. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here to do an upcycling project with you. It is all about sustainable fashion nowadays, and I thought of upcycling this black denim which you just saw. So our theme is comfort and style. I'm just making a sketch of how I want my dress to be. So I have also kept a theme which is comfort and style. Now I'm just making a sketch. Now these are the details. So I want my dress to be a bandeau dress. It has to have a front and back pocket, which are the side pockets of the denim. The dress also needs to have a thigh high slit and the length should be below knees. These are the few descriptions. For the next step, I got it measured from the tailor and I told him how I need the dress to be made. I also gave him a sketch, and now this is the final look of the dress. That is how I styled it. I wore it with black pumps and a black Apple Watch, of course, and the Versace couture bag along with snake thigh jewelry piece, which is looking very sexy in my opinion. That's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoy such upcycling projects. We kept the makeup very subtle with a bold red lip to give it that hot, sexy vibe. And yeah, that's how the dress is. I really enjoyed doing such an upcycling project. The entire dress with the back zipper and everything, restitching costed me $1,000. If you like more such videos and want to see more such upcycling projects, please let me know in the comments below and I would do more such videos for you guys. This was so much fun. I hope you enjoyed, and please, this was so much effort. If you like such content, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, with your tailors, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.